Hi everybody! I was just practicing my rock and roll. I am in an awesome 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in Vancouver, Washington. This is a family park. What's the park's name, Angela?
Lakeside Estates.
Lakeside Estates. And this has been completely redone from top to bottom. We are in the living room right now. Why don't we start in the kitchen? Nice to stay. So the fridge stays, the stove, the built-in microwave stays. The only things that they're taking with them are the air conditioners. Right? So why don't we move into the 1 bedroom?
Another feature is each room has its own heater.
Each room has its own heater. Right down here. Now what's the lot rent here, Angela? $550?
It's currently.
And that includes garbage.
Yes.
All right. Follow one. I will follow you.
Okay.
Saying Ben, this is like a 2020 home, right? Looks brand new. But in reality, it is a 1982. What? All right. Did I mention the washer and dryer stay? Look at these things.
The Samsung.
Look at these. This the one that has the music?
Oh, maybe.
Should I try it?
No.
Okay. All right, so you've seen the inside. We're gonna go to the outside right now. All right, so we're outside. Angela, why don't you take the people around the home? And let's do some hopscotch. Have the trampoline.
If you're a good boy. Hey.
That is awesome. We'll show this. So you have that shed back here. You also have this. Keep all your stuff. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video, everybody. If you'd like to take a look at that property and do an IRL or in real life tour, please contact Angie below right here. If you'd like to look at more homes that we have for sale, visit us at www.helpinghandequity.com, and you can look at other virtual tours that we have done and look at what's available in the Vancouver and Portland metro area. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, be cool. Bye-bye.